AI just replaced hours of work in seconds. Wanna see how? Stuck rewriting your resume, still designing websites manually, or typing emails the old school way? Stop. In this video, we've compiled 5 insane tech breakthroughs from ChatGPT hacks to Figma's AI revolution and Google's real-time language translator. If you're not using these tools in 2025, you're literally working 10 times harder than you need to. Let's dive into the wildest tech tricks that will save your time, upgrade your career, and blow your mind. Watch till the end. The last one might just change how you work forever. Want to land your dream job without rewriting your resume from scratch? Let ChatGPT do it for you. Here's how. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type, "Hey, help me update my resume to target the job description below. Here's my resume." Paste your resume, then paste the job description. Hit enter and boom, ChatGPT tailors your resume in seconds. Next, take that updated resume, paste it into Word and upload it to this site. It compares your resume to the job, highlighting missing keywords and offering pro tips. Aim for a 90% plus match. Repeat the process until you're a perfect match. Your dream job is just a prompt away. Figma just dropped a bombshell that's going to change design forever. At Config 2025, Figma revealed 4 mind-blowing AI tools that transform it from just a design app into an entire product-building ecosystem. Number 1, Figma Make. Type what you want and get working code instantly. Yeah, it's basically a designer-developer dream. Number 2, Figma Sites. Design it, hit publish, boom, your live website is online. Forget third-party platforms. This is frictionless. Number 3, Figma Draw. Powerful new illustration tools for creators and artists. Sketch, illustrate, and elevate, all inside Figma. Number 4, Figma Buzz. Marketing teams rejoice. Now you can create on-brand content at scale. Canva has some serious competition. Here's the wild part. 2/3 of Figma users aren't even designers anymore, and 30% are developers. This isn't just a design tool, it's a team collaboration powerhouse. These tools are rolling out in weeks, and they're about to revolutionize how we build digital products from concept to launch. 5 Copilot tips you need to know. Let's go. Number 1. In Microsoft Teams, click the Copilot icon and turn on transcription, automatic meeting notes, and you can even ask, "What did I miss?" Easy. Number 2. In Outlook, just type / and some notes. Boom, your email is composed for you. No typing stress. Number 3. In Copilot chat, type / and now you can reference people, files, meetings, or emails in your prompt. Super powerful. Number 4. Hit the Copilot icon in OneDrive. Ask questions about your files or even compare multiple files instantly. Number 5. In Excel, type "summarize profit by region" and watch Copilot break it down for you in seconds. Try these tips today and work smarter, not harder with Copilot. Big breaking. Google just dropped a tech tsunami at I/O 2025, and here's everything you need to know in 60 seconds. Let's go. First up, Gemini is everywhere. From your phone to your glasses to your car's dashboard. Gemini 2.5 Pro now thinks deeper, talks natively, and even acts like your agent. Project Mariner, it's your new digital multitasker, handling 10 tasks at once and learning just by watching you do it once. Wild, isn't it? Meet Google Beam, a next-gen 3D video calling platform with head-tracked holograms. Think it like Zoom meets Star Trek. Gemini Flash equals speed, agent mode equals AI doing your apartment hunt, bookings, and shopping. It's personalized, private, and under your control. XR glasses powered by Android. Yep, you just look and Gemini sees, hears, and helps. Real-time translation, navigation, and even restaurant bookings. Hands-free, new creative tools incoming. VO3 for sound and dialogue.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
Imagen 4 for faster image generation and Flow, a Hollywood-grade AI filmmaking tool. AI just got personal, visual, vocal, and safer. From Synth ID to Deep Think mode, this is Google going full agentic. Still stuck in meetings where everyone speaks a different language and you be like,
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
What if your words could instantly become understood by anyone, anywhere? At Google I/O 2025, Google just broke the language barrier for working professionals anywhere in the world. Real-time speech translation is now live in Google Meet, starting with English and Spanish, and rolling out more languages soon. Imagine closing deals, brainstorming ideas, and building global teams without any language roadblocks. No more misunderstandings, no more awkward pauses. This update means faster decisions, smoother teamwork, and a truly global workplace right from your laptop or phone. Google Meet just got smarter. It says the future of work is multilingual. Are you ready to work without limits? This isn't the future. It's your unfair advantage. Use it. You've just unlocked AI tools that can land your dream job, build websites with a sentence, and translate your meetings live. This isn't science fiction. This is right now. But here's the real question. Will you just watch, or will you start using these tools today to get ahead? Drop a comment with AIME and I'll DM you the secret links, cheat sheets, and bonus hacks. Follow now for weekly power-packed tech drops. Don't get left behind. Let AI work for you while everyone else is still figuring it out. See you in the next one.